if you want to enable or disable quick share on OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So in order to access quick share, the easiest way to do so is by going to quick settings or the control center, and most likely over here by default you should be able to find the quick share. So you can just simply tap over here in order to find the setup option if you go here for the first time. So you can press continue and then you got it, and then most likely it looks like this. So you can tap on your name over here on your profile, and then we can go to who can share with you in order to decide if we want to be visible to nearby devices. So if you disable the visibility, then you will disable quick share, and if you want to enable it, then of course we need to make sure that visibility is enabled. And for example, you might want to switch to contacts or to everyone, depending if you have another device saved in contacts on your Google account, or if you have to switch to everyone, just to make sure that your device will be detected on another one. So that's pretty much it. However, if for some reason you don't have the quick share option in here, you can tap on this pen icon at the top, and you might want to press this plus button and search for the quick share over here in this menu in order to add it to the list. And another thing that you can also do is you can go to settings, scroll down over here to go to Google, and then in Google services we need to switch to all services. You can also try to find quick share over here in recommended, but if you don't have it over here, you can go to all services, and then we have quick share somewhere over here, so we can access quick share like that as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.